What's up guys, welcome back to DUBClub. So today we're going to be doing some fabrication, more work on Izzy's Jetta. So we're going to actually be building a Fender dump exhaust for it. He had the hood dump and it just sounded like complete crap pretty much because it was just a foot of pipe and that's pretty much it. So now we're going to make a Fender dump and we're going to put a resonator in there and hopefully it'll sound a lot better on idle especially. Yep. Because it sounded pretty good once you got up there in RPMs before. So yeah, we're just gonna jump into a little time lapse and see you on the other side. So obviously after we get the Fender on, we're gonna trim this to length, to like, so it matches the Fender and it looks better than just, you know, a big pipe sticking out. Or I'm sorry, a big pipe sticking out.
Yeah, big pipe.
But yeah, so it's gonna be flush with the Fender and it's gonna look sick. Start it up, Izzy. I took it off. You are good to go, my friend. That sounds good, dude. You gonna shoot some flames or what?
Huh?
You gonna shoot some flames or what?
Yeah, you tighten that V-band, right?
Everything's tight.
You tighten that V-band.
Which one?
The one on the end?
Yeah, all of them are tight.
Alright, let's hope it starts up the first time.
Oh my god! Did you enjoy shooting that directly into my motor?
Okay, guys. Started in the same spot. You might notice this from another video, but okay. So, yeah, it does. This is the exhaust video.
Yo.
Yeah, so
Not the finest.
we are done with the exhaust. And here's the reveal. Ooh. I still gotta wrap some of those pipes. These are not gonna stay that long, and then we're gonna make
Little aluminum plate.
yeah, aluminum plate to go around this. But it's still not all the way done, but the exhaust portion is done at least, you know?
Yeah, we're just gonna cut these off, and that's gonna be it for the whole exhaust.
I just said that.
Well, I said it better.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure thing. But anyways, car start, like, it sounds really good.
You got a two-step. You got a two-step.
I mean, that's how
Yeah. So what?
Alright, yeah, I'll, as Terras's orders, I will two-step the car. Which sounds pretty cool. But yeah, we don't have any fitment issues. Like, it's not touching the block, it's not too close to it, nothing, you know, we put...
Very good clearance. You need clearance, you come to me. I do clearance.
It's pretty far away from everything. We got some hangers in there.
We still got a little bit to do here. We gotta kind of...
Yeah.
We're gonna put some clamps between these two pipes to hold them together, and it'll be a little more sturdy.
Even. But no, everything's pretty cool. I love how it looks. I'm honestly, like, I'm in love with how it sounds now. Because when I had the reason I put the resonator in there, as you guys saw, was not to quiet it down. It literally, like, you guys are gonna be like, this dude did a Fender dump and put a resonator in it to quiet it down. It's not why I did that. It was to clean up the tractor noise.
Yeah, it sounded like complete.
It sounded so bad, and now it sounds like like it has got a really good tone to it. It did quiet that down a little bit, but the main reason I did this is honestly because I hate getting under a car. I despise it. I never want to get under a car for anything. I rarely use that lift. I especially hate it when I get under it with a jack. You can ask Taras how many times I complained when I went to tighten my oil drain on my turbo.
This dude is gonna literally work up top around this thing for like 4 more hours than he needs to if he would jack it.
I don't like getting under a car. I'm a big dude. But yeah, I'm gonna have Taras stand up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop.
Are you gonna shoot me with the two-step?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys. Show you how it sounds.
We'll get you some real good flames up in here. I tell you what, this dude's got a sick exhaust. Check it. Watch your ears.
What have we done here?
Izzy's gonna get all the scene points that the car shows when he shows up in 2 steps.
No.
In front of all the ladies. All the car mechanic ladies.
I only two-step for my friends.
I don't know, it's pretty cool. It looks cool. Looks proper.
Very
nice.
different. That's what I like about it.
Very nice. I just love it that there's nothing in here other than the exhaust on this side.
Yeah.
And then this side it's all crap. And it looks pretty good once it's already cleaned up a little bit, but we gotta put in some little hoses and stuff. Yeah.
I thought I tightened that drain. It's probably because the drain's too small.
He's got a small drain.
I got a bigger drain.
He's got the tightest drain. All right, guys. If you don't like Volkswagens, I'm sure you at least like flames coming out of exhaust.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And the Fender dump is pretty sweet. I think. I don't know. That's what he wanted, and it came out pretty good. So yeah, I wanted a full exhaust on mine, and came out all right, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please actually follow us on Instagram for more updates, some cool pics of cars and stuff, and you get more live updates of what we're doing and what's going on, because right now you would know something about the DSM.
Yeah, you would know, but you don't.
Unless this video comes out after, I don't know. But yeah, Izzy, what do you say? Are you gonna thank them for watching?
No.
Are you gonna thank
Because they're
them?
not gonna watch.
Just watch.
He just made fun of me because his
Please.
DSM videos got more views than mine.
Just please watch this video for Izzy's sake, please.
Or else I can't take this anymore. We'll have
He's this close to giving up.
hopefully I'm gonna tune my car pretty soon. That should be fun. Hopefully it doesn't end up like
Hey, like what?
no hints.
I wonder what.
I don't know what I could be talking about.
Don't follow us on Instagram because you won't know. You're not supposed to know.
Don't follow us. Stop.
But yeah, I'll link the Instagram in the description of this video.
Or LinkedIn, MySpace.
But yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a little bit.
Also,
This is a positive video.
this is pretty good. But if you guys want us to do vlogs, I don't know how many people like vlogs. I know like a good majority of YouTuber people do vlogs. So if you guys want to see us do vlogs, there's a lot of car shows coming up. We're definitely gonna go to Cletus and Cars.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yes, and we're gonna go to H2O. That's
Indiana,
one of
Cletus and Cars, Indiana, baby.
them. You want to meet us, since you're big fans. You're not even pointing it at me.
It's pointing at you.
It's up, you guys. If
Wait,
you guys,
can you see this pipe?
if you guys want a DUBClub sticker, let us know, because we know you're such huge
We don't
fans.
have one yet.
We'll make one. Just let us know how many you need, because they're kind of expensive.
If you need 1,000 or something, just let us know. We'll get them ordered up for you guys.
But yeah, let us know if you guys want to see any more vlog kind of stuff. Of us doing. Oh my god.
What's doing
Hopefully it's not this kind of quality. But if you guys want to see us do things related to cars, but not strictly working on cars, just us, being pals, having fun.
Honestly, shooting videos while working on cars is so hard for me, and I'm sure it is for Izzy too.
I don't even do it.
Because I just get so into it, and I'm like, screw this video. I gotta get this done. I'm trying to freaking drive this car whenever, and it's hard.
As for me, I just sometimes turn off the cameras to save battery, and I never turn them on. I just feel like I do that.
Yeah, so we'll try to get better at that. Obviously, so that's kind of why we've been doing more of like a time lapse, situation, because it's just easier. You just set it up and you get cranking, and you kind of forget about the camera, honestly. But yeah, like Izzy said, if you guys want to see us do more like vlogs, kind of just talking about cars, talking about what we do and stuff, just let us know, and we'll be sure to deliver. And that is my guarantee. You have 24 hours. If anybody got that joke, let me know. Alright, see you in the next video, guys.
Peace.